We live in a digital world and are used to using digital maps and other digital data in managing our day-to-day activities. The available Digital Cockpit features a well-placed tachometer and speedometer. Using the menu buttons, you can change the information that is displayed in the center instrument cluster, going from audio to vehicle status, driving data, assist systems, and navigation. While in navigation mode, the map can be displayed in the instrument cluster by pressing the up or down arrows to select Display Map, and then select OK. Press the View button to change map size. You can configure the Digital Cockpit to suit your preferences. In the infotainment unit, select Vehicle and then Settings. Scroll down to Instrument Cluster and select Active Info Display to personalize the information displayed. When Auto or Classic is selected, the gear selection and vehicle speed are displayed. When View 1, 2, or 3 is selected, you can select the information that you want to display on the left and right side of the instrument cluster by scrolling through the menu items and then selecting and holding the View button. Different information can be saved for the other view selections. Digital Cockpit allows you to display the information that you select for your drive.